Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel Growing with English. In today's video, we will be learning about how to use have, has and had. So without further ado, let's get to our video. Before getting on to it, let me tell you what first person, second person and third person are. So first person are I and we. I and we. Second person is you. You. Third person are they, she, he, and it. They, she, he, and it. But we don't use have with all of it. We use have with first person, I and we, second person, you, third person, plural. We don't use it with the singular form. We use it with the plural form. That is they and words in its plural form. Girls and boys here. He, she, and it are not plural. They are singular. And we don't use have with singular things. But there is an exception for I and you. I and you are singular, but still we use have with it. I have a book. I have a book. We have books. You have a book. They have books. Girls have books. Boys have books. An easy way to remember this is that they are used, have. Have is used with I and you. They're singular, but still we use it with I and you. It is used with I and you and words in their plural form. Here, I and you are the only words in singular form. We, they, girls and boys are in plural form. Next up is has. We use has with third person but in their singular form. That is he, she, it and words in their singular form. Girl and boy here. He has a pencil. She has a pencil. It has a tail. The girl has a laptop. The boy has a laptop. We use have and has to say something that is in the present. Had. Now comes had. Unlike have and has, which are used in the present, had is used to say something that happened in the past or was in the past. And they are used with all persons, be it singular or plural or first person or third person, it doesn't matter because they are used with all persons like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, girl, boy, etc. He had a friend. She had a friend. We had a friend. It had a tail. The girl had a laptop. The boy had a laptop. While using had, you don't need to worry about singular or plural or first person or second person. You can use it with everything. But they are used with the past tense. They are used to denote something that happened in the past or was in the past. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, bye!